Welcome to Empowered Balance Massage and Wellness. I'm Kristi Hall, a licensed massage therapist since 2004. We currently provide massage and localized cryotherapy. Massage helps decrease stress and assist in the healing process of eliminating aches and pains, as well as improving overall movement. The localized cryotherapy we administer is helpful for fat freezing, cellulite reduction, facials, and can treat other skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis. It is also helpful for pain management, sports recovery, and injuries. Our mission is to assist you in the empowering process of reaching your goals. Whether that is to reduce pain or your waistline, we are here for your needs. You can find more information at eb-massage.com or call us at 440-463-8544. Have a fantastic day.